Last night in my grandma's house, she has dementia and it scared me so bad. It keep okay. The thing about with like dementia patients, right? My grandma had dementia, and it was pretty bad to like the point where like she genuinely like didn't know where she was at times. She used to think that my sister was me, right? Because she lived with me for a very long time. So when my sister would pass by, she would think it's me. So yeah, it's sometimes it's not scary. It's just sad. Honestly, but someone who probably doesn't like deal with it daily would get pretty scared. But I don't know. Maybe this grandma is like, maybe she's like, she's gonna start floating and like, oh, she's possessed. Let's see.
Video. A man named Nick is taking care of his sick grandmother when one night he sees this.
No, like they just genuinely don't know where they are sometimes. Like,
Now it's important to note that Nick's grandma has Alzheimer's, which often causes her to stand around and see things that don't appear to be there.
yeah.
But as she stands there, something happens that Nick can't explain. While taking this video, this is captured. Take a look.
She's gonna start floating upwards. The fucking Clone War. The Clone Wars on the TV. Okay, I'm sorry. It's very serious. She's gonna be gone. No, shut up. Oh, okay, she's still there. Oh shit. Okay. Wait, the dog is alert. Why are you not going to help her? The Roomba! It's just the Roomba. The Roomba. That was a quiet ass fucking Roomba. Mine is super loud. Okay, now you're just recording the Roomba, bro. She's doing his job. Holy fuck, that scared me.
Apparently, something that was on top of the fridge had fallen over. It falls
trying to
all
kill
of a
the
sudden,
Roomba!
which Nick says is made creepier by the fact that his grandmother's dog was growling. But this incident gets a whole lot strange when Nick shows what exactly fell from the fridge. Take a look.
Alright.
What is it?
So this is in response to last night.
He has ground for a
loves
tiny
to
dog.
collect little
He's a
figurines.
smoker. He was a
One
smoker.
of my grandma's little angels fell off the fridge last night. See how far back they are.
Oh shit. Yeah, that's
Genuine.
pretty. Yeah.
If the mini statue was sitting far back on the
Ooh.
fridge, then just how exactly did it tip over? Nick has no clue.
It's
But
quiet like
after
that, just
watching this
starts
clip many
speaking loud.
times, he notices something
Hi.
pretty freaky.
Honestly, I'm a bit in disbelief. No, I'm pretty sure it's just a plug-in charger. I brought my girlfriend Claire here so she can help demonstrate.
Hello.
But can you try to step in front of that?
Yeah, they stop when
So it
they.
just does that.
Yeah.
Move away. So
Okay, that guy
that
seems a
comment
little
says that the
dumb.
Roomba doesn't do
Mine
that.
wouldn't crash into you. It would sense you before.
My question is, like, he's kind of creepy with a smiley face and everything.
Okay.
Even when it gets to the edge. it does that.
McDonald's. I noticed it too.
Now looking back at Nick's video, one can see that the Roomba does the same back and forth motion as if someone were standing in front of it. But the question is, just what exactly was in its way?
He's doing that.
To Nick, the Roomba might have been sensing something. Now this is where things start to get pretty creepy, because ever since then, Nick has been feeling immensely uneasy by the kitchen space. Considering that his grandmother has no other TV in the house except here, he has no choice but to watch near the kitchen. But one night, while watching alone, this happens.
He's just gotta stay there, dude. There's no other TV anywhere else in the house. Come on, man.
So, I was watching my show.
Turn on the
And
lights. I was gonna say some of the older sensors on the Roombas were probably not that great, and this video seems a little dated. So maybe it's just the sensor was being whack. Close the door. Close the door. He's just like, I'm forced to sit here with the ghosts. I can't do anything. Like I'm just stuck here.
After last night, I'm definitely not leaving these lights on. But I was watching my show. And
He just has to point out that it's Clone Wars every time. He's like, I'm just watching my show. Star Wars. Oh, puppies. Puppies. What are we looking at? What are we looking at, gang?
there's nothing there.
That you know of.
There's no Roomba
That
in
you
sight
know
to
of.
explain the dogs' behavior. Both dogs are
That you
staring
know
at
of.
something, even though nothing is there. And it's the fact that they're looking at the kitchen that makes this even more
That you know
unsettling.
of.
Now, it's worth noting that Nick's grandpa, who
It's
passed
so
away
fun.
last
I
year,
watched that
had once
before.
told Nick that he thought he'd seen his grandmother standing in the kitchen one night with the lights
My
off.
show.
But apparently,
He's
he was
gone.
wrong, because after looking
What the
closely,
fuck was that?
no one was there. It's for this reason, among others,
Why
that
was
Nick
there
is
a
scared of the
flash of
kitchen.
someone?
But this wouldn't be the final reason, because on the same night he recorded this, the following happens. After putting away the dogs, he immediately films again after being startled by the ice maker,
Oh,
which was
the
going
ice
off at this
maker.
time. But as he records, this happens. Watch.
Whoa.
Brother, I literally don't see anything. Can I blink?
Whoa.
I want to blink. It was the fucking Roomba. It was the Roomba. Ooh, the haunted Roomba. No, don't do it, Roomba. Stop. Roomba, stop. We can get you help. Don't do it. He's coming for you, run! Dude, he's gonna murder you. Stay back. The Roomba's on. It's chasing him. Oh my god, it's chasing him.
Yo.
Stop. Wait, it's actually chasing him. Just go up the stairs. What is he gonna do? He can't go up the stairs. Whoa, whoa, the room was getting me and he's putting himself in a corner.
Oh, that's cool.
Wait, it's actually chasing him. That's so weird. Feed me. Feed me. Feed me. Take me to your leader. Are you telling me he's a robot guy programmed to do it? Are you telling me a spirit possessed this Roomba? Just go up the stairs, brother. What is it? He can't go. He can't climb up the stairs. Where'd it go? Oh my. Okay. Alright, Roombas aren't supposed to do that.
Somehow, after just following Nick around the living room, the Roomba flips over.
Okay,
Despite there being
Roombas
nothing in its
aren't
path,
supposed to do.
it does a complete
The peak
180
flip,
as
the
if
peak
someone
flip.
or something had forcefully turned it over. Freaked out, Nick stops recording and immediately shares the video online after posting the previous one. And like before, many comments point out things that he didn't notice initially. For one, the Roomba was already acting strange earlier. Unlike before, the mini Hoover was moving in a straight path, which is uncommon for vacuums of this kind to do. And second, it didn't pause and turn around when it sensed the stair's edge.
Yeah.
Earlier,
Yes.
we can see the Roomba doing just that, but here, it doesn't. If what occurred before hadn't disturbed Nick, then
He's a
surely
good
this incident
programmer.
has. Not much else has happened
Teaching my
since
Roomba
then,
how to kick
but for
flip.
now, like most videos, this one remains a mystery.
Alright, that's a little weird.
Now, the following video comes from a mother who's been sharing every moment of her daughter's life. Her entire account is devoted to her only child, a daughter that she thought she would never have after multiple failed pregnancies. To Gabby, the mother, Regina was a miracle. And so, from videos of her as a baby to footage of Regina's first day of school, Gabby has captured all the smallest moments in Regina's life. However, out of all the videos on this page, a select few have left many viewers baffled. It all started with a series of videos that Gabby took when Regina was a baby.
For the 5th time.
During this time, she would often crawl to one hallway inside her house and just stare at it. Now, this wouldn't be so strange if it weren't for the fact that she would continue to do this throughout the years. Just like when she was a baby, she still to this day stares at this hallway for no apparent reason.
But babies are kind of quirky like that.
Vámonos ya. Vente, mi amor. Vente. Vamos a...
From playing a game of
babies
tag
are
by
just a
herself
little like
to blowing
they're a
kisses
little
at
quirky
the hallway,
like that sometimes,
Regina
you know?
behaves as though she's playing with one of her friends. It goes without saying, but she may have an imaginary friend. But to Gabby, this may not be the case, because as of recent, this was captured.
¿Qué pasó? Ay, Dios, ahora sí me asusté. ¿Qué pasó? Ay, Raichi. Mira, apunta para allá. ¿Qué, mi amor? Vámonos. ¿Qué, mi amor? ¿Qué hay? ¿Qué pasó? Ven, amor. Ven, amor.
She just walks away.
Venga, mi niña. It's okay.
Unlike before, Regina has been acting differently towards the hallway. Gabby's most recent videos involving the hallway show Regina being creeped out, and not a single video appears to show why that is. Or at least, not to Gabby's knowledge. It wasn't until recently that many people started to comment on a certain video that she randomly took one night. It was a short clip of her daughter doing her nightly routine. But according to viewers, if you look closely, you'll notice what it is that's been scaring Regina. This is what she caught.
The shadow. Brushing her teeth. Nothing weird going on here. She's eating the toothpaste. Oh wait, they're safe for babies, never mind. Wait, she's gotta wait. Hold up, go back. She's got, what's his name? What was that? What was it? Okay. Alright.
What was meant to be
just wants
just a
to go
fun little
outside,
video
that's true.
turns into something terrifying. Inside a closet, a shadow-like figure quickly passes, and it happens right after Regina points at it. No one else was home, which would have otherwise explained it. After reading the comments, Gabby checks the closet space and finds nothing. If the space is clear, then what was this? Although she doesn't know, viewers have an idea. This may be, as they believe, the thing that Regina has been so afraid of. She even points at it like she always does with the hallway. Although not sure what to think,
That's true.
Gabby remains concerned. But then one night, in a different video, she records something that makes her extremely uneasy. While filming her daughter in the kitchen, this
The
happens.
Roomba! Stop.
Cuando le encuentras un miedo a tu
Music replaced due to copyright. Dude, no way another haunted Roomba. Are we 2 for 2? The Roomba story connects.
Like previously, a passing shadow is seen, but this time in the same space as Gabby and her daughter. This figure, whatever it might have been, passes from one side to the other before seemingly disappearing. If no one else was home, as Gabby states, then who was this? It's hard to say, and it doesn't help that neither Gabby nor Regina had noticed it. Given all that's happened, the question arises, just who or what was caught on camera? Gabby has yet to know, but she continues to be on the lookout for any strange recordings she accidentally captures. Until then, she has no explanation for this or her daughter's sudden fear of the hallway.
Maybe she's just always been scared of it. You just couldn't tell because babies are pretty chill. Babies are pretty chill.
On July 10th of 2025, a security camera inside a house begins to
wait,
record
Roomba,
after
please.
sensing motion in the living room. This camera only records whenever movement is detected. The thing is though, no one is home.
Is it weird that people put cameras in their house? I feel
No
like
one
it's a
is
little
around,
weird,
or at
right?
least no person is. Although
Like
the man who lives
inside
here
your
wasn't home
house?
at this time, his dog was. And so,
Puppy!
upon receiving
The
this
ghost
notification, he
god
ignores it.
dog. He
But
just
unbeknownst to
appeared.
him, this motion-activated recording would capture something deeply
The camera's
unsettling
in.
at that moment. Ever since then, his dog hasn't been the same. This is what was caught.
The ghost possessed a dog. They also have a Roomba! Look! It's right there! Wait. Roombas are cursed. You can hang the cameras and watch. Yeah. A little suspicious. Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit, what does he see? A bug? Right? What's going on? Oh, what the fuck? What the hell?
After what occurred in this footage, the owner has been making sure to never leave his dog alone. As he states, something had messed with this dog.
It looks
Now
like
it's
he's
worth
grabbing his
noting that his
collar.
dog is okay and is only slightly frazzled. In the footage, we can see him looking at something that doesn't appear to be there, as the owner believes something was agitating him. Whatever it was, according to him, had to be responsible for yanking off his dog's collar.
Oh,
Now,
he
of
took the
course,
whole
it
collar
could be that his
off.
dog had simply shaken off his own neckband, but this wouldn't make sense according to him because the collar has no way of coming off easily unless someone removes it. Given that this never happened before, the owner can't help but think that something paranormal occurred
Sniff
here.
something and
But
sneeze.
as always, I'll let you be the judge on that. Just
That's
what exactly
weird.
had taken place
I
during
think it's
this
the
recording?
Roomba's fault.
Let me know your thoughts on this one.
It's a pretty dog, though. Bye bye, puppy. He's a pretty puppy.
Now this next video was submitted to me by Captain Scorpio,
Okay, what are we
who
doing?
says that he found this on Instagram, but strangely, the account from which the video originated is no longer there. Although its disappearance is pretty strange, the video itself is by far the strangest. In it, two women appear to be hiking on a secluded trail when they stumble across a metal hatch.
Watch there be nothing.
Why are we doing this? Why are we opening it?
Oh?
Although hesitant at first, they proceed to open up this hatch. After all, they know it's just a water cistern and not something else they should be cautious about. But perhaps they should have, because it's what happens next that turns this video into the stuff of nightmares.
Pandora's
This
box.
is what they caught.
Is that glass?
Why are you touching
I
it?
see glass. I f***ing heard noises. Dude, f***ing do it. Ugh. Do you hear it echoing? We have to do it now.
Breaking and entering someone's home?
Holy sh**.
I want to see. Bring us closer.
Are you? This is insane. Oh. There's a flashlight in my backpack.
What the fuck?
Go get the flashlight. It's in the top.
Neither of them noticed it, but when looking down, a face can be
It's
seen.
the granny from Little
Despite
Nightmares
being
1
quite dark, someone
DLC.
or something appears. It's brief, but whatever had been there is caught on
Minecraft.
camera. Now the video cuts when one of them goes to get a flashlight. It's assumed that they didn't see anything afterwards, because in a follow-up video, they never mentioned the face that was captured.
I'm Mackenzie. I think I'm the sacrifice. An old, like, water cistern. It's really...
It seems they had made this video just to revisit the hole, implying they didn't
The
see it.
hole.
With no further info and no available account, it seems likely that we'll never know what had been inside this hole.
It's just a glare. It's just a glare of the camera.
On a Friday night inside a retail store, an employee known as Don Rivas takes out his phone to record the following security footage. According to him, the person in this video was stealing merchandise and he needed to keep an eye on him in case he kept stealing.
Job.
But this
Trigger
isn't why
warning.
he's
Job
recording.
mentioned.
He's filming this because apparently there's something in this footage that's been
He's
freaking
stealing
him out.
it.
Keep in mind that this incident took place in 2014, and it still scares him to this day. While carefully observing the thieving customer, he sees this.
The ghost is gonna jump in. Don't steal that $20 shirt.
Look, watch. What is that? What is that?
What the
And
fuck?
it's just gone, bruh. Look at this. It's there,
That's a
and
little
now
weird.
it's not, bruh. What is that?
Can we get better security cameras?
Bruh. What is that? What is that?
What is that?
And then it's just gone.
This guy's horrible at
Bruh.
stealing, by the way.
What is that?
Not that I would
What's
know
that?
anything about
Bruh,
stealing.
What is that? What is that?
Now there doesn't appear to be anything on this floor to explain what showed up, so whatever this was should not have been there. Even if this was just some merchandise he had set down on the floor, it
Just
wouldn't
show the
explain how it
camera.
came into view. His leg
That would be
doesn't move
funny.
at any point to reveal it. The only thing moving here is this. It remains unknown as to what appeared in this footage, but whatever this was continues to spook Don Rivas to this day.
Poopy camera next. No Roomba in this one.
If you caught something creepy on camera, or if there's any ghosting, and I hope you enjoyed.
Thank you.
Also, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and make sure to
I
hit
am
the bell
subscribed.
icon so you don't miss any uploads in the future.
I think.
Also be sure to check
pretty
out the
sure.
official TikTok account for this channel.
Good TikTok
That being
account.
said,
Damn.
until next time.
That was it. That was the last one. I thought there was one more.